Look at all the crowd.
Northern Stars before the company, Liana Gray. Alright, please, let's give a round big welcome to Northern Stars, led by the team captain, Liana Gray. Go back to the grassroots and where all starts for our netballers. Tonight, let's hear it for our two special teams from Eastern High School versus Loyalty Beach School. Let's give it up for our players tonight. Now, the Mother Earth Future Friends offers 4 different year groups for our junior netball program. Mother Earth Future Friends produces players who qualify towards netball that recognises their stage of physical and mental development. The aim is not only to grow their netball abilities, but also to help them with their overall physical literacy, which includes confidence, motivation, knowledge, and understanding and physical competency. So today's game in the 6 game is fast and provides players with lots of touches on the ball to enhance skill development and enjoyment. With only 3 positions on court, it means the game is less complicated for children and easier for coaches to ensure players learn the skills relevant to all and to provide them with equal opportunities. Awesome talking. Okay people, let's have a round of applause, another round of applause for these 2 schools as they take a shot there, all off the rim and received there by Raumati in the black and yellow as they get it down into, oh that's a great pass. Focus. Oh, Benzema, oh, that's a great reception here. So here they go, Eastern Hut School on the attack now. These are the future Manawataki Central Pulse players. That's so good. How awesome is this to me? This is really cool. So, well, everyone that's watching this game now, contact your zone for all the resources and support needed to set up and run Mother Earth Future Friends. We're going to encourage all parents to be supportive and engaging with their Mother Earth Future Friends, and you don't need to know about the netball to be a supportive and engaged parent. Up for the shot, rebounded here by Huts School. I don't know.
tenacious defence there by Hutt Valley School as they attack down their left side of the board there. Oh, ball's gone straight. It's a bit of rugby.
What do you think, Flossie? Fantastic. Now finally, we do want to say that anyone can coach a Mother Earth Future First team. We encourage all parents and guardians to get involved with this very fun program. So remember, Mother Earth Future First.
This is great mid-ball passing here by the Roebuck Beach School. Oh, that's a great rebound there by the defender from Hutt School.
So with this game here, Tippy, we've got 2 4-minute halves. What's our time looking like now? Our time? Right there. Fantastic. On the iPad. Fantastic. Thank you so much, Tippy, for that amazing commentary with the time as well. 2.5 minutes to go on this game. Another big shout out to the 2 teams we've got here on the court. Eastern Hutt School versus Roebuck Beach School.
As they have a quick turnaround here, substitute some players, some off, some on. And we're away again. Flossie's doing a little Flossie thing over there on the sideline. Okay, this is a really close game. It's still 0-0. No pressure. Oh! Well, she gets the rebound. Second time lucky. It's good! Fantastic work.
We've got just under 2 minutes on the clock there.
Sign that girl up.
Back to you, Flossie. What do you think?
There's too much tension for Flossie.
Take it!
Flossie's got eye very close to that mark.
Oh!
Great defense there by Roebuck here. They're working away from their third into the middle third now.
Go!
But no, here comes the Hutt. But no, here comes Roebuck here. It's back and forth this one. Okay, we've got 90 seconds left in this game. It's 1-0 so far to Roebuck. Come on, the Hutt!
My heart's racing a little on this one. What do you think, Tippy?
Move, Corey!
My Hutt is racing.
Wow, Hutt.
I'm skipping the Hutt big. Oh, great defense. Great defense by Roebuck. As they work it away. Here we go, let's get those credits back for these young ladies. Let's go, crowd!
Let's get those AT10 clappers up to the air, come on! 30 seconds on the clock. Can you feel that heartbeat, Tippy?
I feel it with a passion.
Oh, it's getting close.
This is the main kick. One
Countdown, here goes. 10, 9, 8, 7, let's go hard, Ono, Rima, 5, Toru, Rua, Tahi.
Shoot it!
Once again, round of applause for Roma to be school and Eastern Hacksaw Hallway to Bucky and they win.
Come on, I think we can do better than hold on to Bucky.
Let's give it up for these young ladies, the future stars on netball for tomorrow. Okay, we've got a couple of minutes before the teams come back onto the court. We're going to get our chant up and running one more time. Here we go. Manuataki, hui! Manuataki, ha! Pointara, fiti! Tahi, lua, toru, pa! Give it up for the Poles. Let's go, everything. And one more round of applause for these young players here from Robati Beach School and Eastern Hunt School Hallways and Bucky.
We want to say a big thank you